This is another simple and similar question to the first one we earlier answered. They say, which of these solutions will give a white precipitate with a solution of barium chloride? This same barium chloride again. This same barium chloride. But this time around, it was not acidified. And a green flame test. They say, which of these solutions will give a white precipitate, that's a white insoluble salt, with a solution of barium chloride? They say when we react any of this solution with barium chloride, it will actually give us a white insoluble salt, that's a white precipitate. That's a salt that is white and it's insoluble. That's what they simply mean by white precipitate. And it will give a positive green flame test. That's flame test. You know flame test now. We use a flame. We apply it to any of these metals, to these ions that are present in this salt. We will put it. If it shows golden yellow, if it shows green, if it shows, I don't want to talk it yet. I want you to try to answer it on your own before I give the answer. Do you understand? Let me tell you something. This, remember in the earlier question, this will give a white precipitate with barium chloride. It will actually form barium sulfate. Barium sulfate is a white precipitate. These two, barium sulfate. These two, barium sulfate. But why is C? Why will it not react with C? Simple thing. Look at the anion present here in C. So there won't be any exchange of radicals. You know, all these things are double decomposition reaction. Double decomposition reaction. So there won't be any exchange of radicals because of why? The radical that is present in barium chloride is also present here. Like the ion. The ion here is chloride ion. See, look at the chloride here too. So there won't be any exchange. But here is sulfate, here is chloride. They will exchange. Chloride will come to sodium. It will not be sodium chloride. This sulfate will go to barium sulfate. Same thing here. We will now form copper chloride, then barium sulfate, calcium chloride, then barium sulfate. But here, nothing. It will not do anything. If calcium takes the chloride, it will still be calcium chloride. If barium takes the chloride, it will still be barium chloride. Do you understand? Clap for me, clap for me. So that's just one thing about this. So now, observe. I told you that all of them, A, B, D, when they react with barium chloride, they will form a white precipitate, which is what? That same barium sulfate. That's what it will keep giving. It will keep giving us barium sulfate. Let's do an instance with number one. Let's do it with this one. Look at what it will give us. Now this is the barium sulfate. This is the white PPT, the white precipitate. Do you know? Same thing. If we apply it here, if we use this copper sulfate, it will still give us the same thing. Yeah, it will not be copper chloride. Do you understand? To still give us, okay, let's say we want to use sodium sulfate. We have solved that one. It's empty too. This thing be giving us barium sulfate. So now, which one is the answer? That's why this one will not distinguish it. This flame test. Sodium ion will give a golden yellow color to flame test. Sodium ion will give a golden yellow to flame test. So this makes option A off. Option A is off. Calcium will give a brick red color to flame test. Brick red color. Now, you see now I've used one stone to kill two birds, two birds to kill one stone. Based on I've told you the color of sodium ion. In case of you see in the future questions, I've given the color of this. This is what? Brick red. Do you understand? This is brick red. This will give us green color. Copper ion will give us green to flame test, or blue green. I shall know green is there. Do you understand? Green or blue green to flame test. That's what it will actually give us. Why the barium sulfate is there? The barium sulfate applies to A, B, D. That's one thing you should know. The barium sulfate. But what distinguishes option B is the flame test. What is what? The green. I think we will put golden yellow color here. They say, and a golden yellow color to flame test. Then the answer will be A. Do you understand? But no, they said green color to flame test. You know, this calcium is brick red. Potassium is what? Lilac.